Hello student, in this video we are going to learn about a grinding process. Now what is grinding? Grinding, it is a common machining process in which a material is removed by a abrasive particle. All of you know the grinding process. Here grinding wheel is shown. You can see here grinding wheel is rotating, and when the workpiece comes in the contact with the grinding wheel, there will be a friction, and due to friction very negligible amount of material is removed. Now generally this grinding process is used to give a good surface finish on your workpiece. Now suppose when you are welding a two bars, so at welding portion or at welded portion there may be some uneven shape may be there. So that uneven shape can be given a smooth surface finish with the help of grinding process. So what is the working principle? A workpiece is fed against the rotating abrasive wheel. So this is a grinding wheel. It is made up by the abrasive particles. It is rotating. It is mounted on a shaft which is connected to the motor. You can see there, this is a yellow color, this is a motor, and it is connected to the grinding wheel, so that you can have a rotating motion to the grinding wheel. So you have to bring the grinding wheel in contact with your workpiece, and due to the action of rubbing, so there may be a rubbing action, or there may be a friction between your workpiece and a rotating wheel, and due to that a very negligible amount of material is removed from the workpiece to give a good surface finish. Now you can see here, this is a grinding wheel, it is rotating it, and workpiece having a linear motion. Okay, here in this video also you can see this is a grinding wheel. When there is a contact between workpiece and grinding wheel, there is a friction, and due to the friction negligible amount of material is removed from the workpiece to give a good surface finish. Now what is the principle of operation of grinding wheel? Now here two types of grinding operations are shown. One is a cylindrical grinding and second is the surface grinding. So we will see what is the difference between these two. Now this is a principle. First very important point, grinding wheel is mounted on a spindle which is driven by the motor. Okay, here previously you can see here, this is a small figure is shown, grinding wheel mounted on a shaft or spindle which is connected to the motor. So power of motor is given to the grinding wheel to give rotating motion to the grinding wheel. Then second point, the revolving grinding wheel is brought in the contact with the workpiece. So there will be a contact between grinding wheel and your workpiece. So here this is a grinding wheel, this is a workpiece, this is a grinding wheel, this is the workpiece. Third point, there is a relative motion between workpiece and grinding wheel. Grinding wheel is having rotating motion, so workpiece may have linear motion or rotating motion. The speed of both, that is grinding wheel and workpiece, is not same. So if speed is not same, then it is called as relative motion. There will be a relative motion between two component, workpiece as well as grinding wheel. Then fine abrasive grains of grinding wheel. Grinding wheel is made up of very fine abrasive grains, abrasive material, which removes the material from the workpiece to give good surface finish and dimensional accuracy. And last point is very important, the material removed in this process is very negligible. You have seen the different operation on lathe machine and drilling machine. So the material removed is more in both cases, that is in the lathe machine operation and drilling machine operation. But here this is not a material removing process, it is a process of giving good surface finish and dimensional accuracy. Material removed is very negligible in the grinding process. So two types are there, cylindrical grinding and surface grinding. That we'll see how what is the difference between cylindrical and grinding, surface grinding. Now which are the different operations performed on grinding machine? Now here two basic operations are there on grinding machine. First is a rough grinding. So what is meaning of rough grinding? So when it is used for removing excess material from workpiece or from cast. If you have seen the casting process, forging process, in casting process you have to cut the extra part, that is spur is there, riser part is there, that is the extra part which is already included in your workpiece. So when you want to include the extra part or excess material, or when you are welding a two components or two metal bars, at corner there may be a burrs, that burrs are unwanted part. So when you want to remove a excess material from casting, forging, welded materials, and to remove the sharp corners, burrs, or other unwanted projection from the workpiece, then that process is called as rough grinding. So simply rough grinding, it is the process of removing a excess material from a workpiece. Now this, in rough grinding you cannot get a good surface finish, or you cannot achieve a dimension that you want. It is only remove the excess material. And second type is, or second process is fine grinding. Now this fine grinding is used to impart a good surface finish and dimensional accuracy. Now grinding wheel is used in both cases. Type of grinding wheel, it will be different for rough grinding and for fine grinding. Now two types that we want to see. One is the surface grinding and cylindrical grinding. So what is the surface grinding? Again I will go to back slide. Now if you see these two figures, if you compare, your grinding wheel is rotating. This is a grinding wheel rotating in clockwise direction, and your workpiece is also rotating, or it is in the cylindrical nature. It is in the cylindrical form. So when you want to give a good surface finish, or you want to grind a cylindrical part, then that process is called as cylindrical grinding. Here both grinding wheel as well as your workpiece is in the cylindrical nature or cylindrical form. So it is called as cylindrical grinding. Now in second case, grinding wheel is rotating and your workpiece is having, you can see this arrow is shown, that is it is moving in the linear direction, or it is reciprocating. So when you are grinding on a surface, flat surface, then it is called as surface grinding. So we'll go to that particular slide, surface grinding. Now here you can see the different figures are shown. In surface grinding, two types are there. One is the horizontal surface grinding and vertical surface grinding. So what is the horizontal surface grinding? Now you can see this grinding wheel is shown and this is a workpiece. Here also in second figure, grinding wheel is there and this is a workpiece. Now here grinding wheel is mounted on a spindle which is horizontal, and grinding wheel is rotating, and your workpiece is having linear motion. Same here, grinding wheel is mounted on a horizontal spindle or horizontal shaft, and your workpiece is rotating. Your workpiece is moving linearly. Now what is the meaning of surface grinding? So it is used to produce a smooth finish on the flat surface. If you are grinding on a flat surface, then it is called as surface grinding. Now here also you are grinding on the flat surface, here also you are grinding on a flat surface. But what is the difference between these two? Here workpiece is having linear motion, workpiece is having rotary motion. So this first type is called as horizontal spindle reciprocating workpiece. Horizontal spindle reciprocating workpiece. And second is horizontal spindle rotating workpiece. Then second, vertical surface grinding. So what is vertical surface grinding? See the both cases. Here spindle is vertical or shaft is vertical. On vertical spindle the grinding wheel is mounted. On vertical spindle grinding wheel is mounted. So this is called as a vertical spindle reciprocating workpiece. Vertical spindle rotary workpiece. So these two cases are called as vertical spindle grinding machine or vertical spindle surface grinding, and this first case horizontal spindle surface grinding. Okay, so this surface grinding information is given here, you can read this. Now you can see here the difference between these two. Okay, your workpiece is having linear motion. Grinding is done on the surface of reciprocating workpiece, and here your workpiece is having rotary motion, and grinding is done on the rotary surface. So this is called as horizontal spindle surface grinding. Same here it is shown. Now second type is cylindrical grinding. What is cylindrical grinding? Now you can see this is a rotary grinder and a rotary workpiece. So it is a type of grinding machine used to shape the outside surface of an object. Outside surface of an object. Now how it is done? The work, that is object, must be constantly rotating. Here workpiece is also rotating, grinding wheel is also rotating. The grinding wheel must be constantly rotating. So both workpiece as well as grinding wheels, they are constantly rotating. The grinding wheel is fed towards and away from the workpiece. The grinding wheel may be moving towards the workpiece or away from the workpiece. If you want to do the grinding process, you have to move grinding wheel towards the workpiece. Then either the work or grinding wheel is traverse with respect to the workpiece. So workpiece is moving because you want to grind this total length. So you have to move the workpiece from one end to the another end. So that is called as a traversing of your workpiece. You can see here easily. So this is a grinding wheel and this is a workpiece. You want to grind this total length. So what you want to do? Grinding wheel is stationary, means it is at fixed position. So you have to move the workpiece from one end to the another end. So both are rotating, both are in the cylindrical in nature. So it is called as cylindrical grinding. Just one video we'll see here how it can be done.
Now you see the sparks are doing that, so we're not quite clean.
You can see here grinding wheel is rotating, your workpiece is also rotating. So it is called as cylindrical grinding. So from one end to the another end, you can see the workpiece is moving. So it is called as cylindrical grinding. So some images are shown for cylindrical grinding. You can see here also cylindrical grinding. So this is how the grinding process works. Now remember one very important point: in grinding process, material removed is very negligible. It is not a material removing process. It is a process of giving good surface finish on the workpiece. Now in next video we are going to learn about the milling process. Thank you.